In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable with N8n OAuth 2.0 and personal access token setup step-by-step tutorial. We're going to keep this simple and secure. The process has two parts. First, you'll create a personal access token in Airtable with the exact permissions your workflow needs. Then you'll add that token as credentials in N8n so your workflows can read and write data safely. Although the title mentions OAuth 2.0, what we're setting up here is the personal access token method, which is the fastest route to get connected. OAuth is a different flow, so we won't cover it in this tutorial. Start in Airtable, sign in, open your account menu, and go to the Developer Hub. From there, open Personal Access Tokens and click Create Token. Give your token a clear name so you recognize it later, for example, N8n. Next, set the scopes. Choose data.records. Read to allow reading records, data.records, write to allow creating and updating records, and schema bases. Read so your integration can understand the structure of your bases, like tables and fields. For security, select specific bases rather than giving access to all. Pick only the bases your N8n workflows actually need. This limits risk and keeps your data model tidy. When everything looks right, click Create Token. Airtable will show the token once. Copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager. Don't share it publicly, and don't paste it into code or screenshots. If you ever lose the token, just return here, revoke it, and create a new one with the same scopes. Now switch to N8n. Open N8n, go to Credentials, and click New Credential. Search for and select Airtable, Personal Access Token. You'll see a single field to paste the token you just created. Paste it carefully, double-check for extra spaces, and click Save. If the token is valid and the scopes and base access are correct, N8n will confirm the connection. That means your workflows can now securely talk to Airtable using the permissions you granted. A quick recap. You created a least privileged token in Airtable with read, write, and schema read scopes and access limited to specific bases, then added that token to N8n as an Airtable credential. From here, you're ready to build workflows that read and update Airtable records with confidence. If you need to adjust access later, update the token in Airtable and resave the credential in N8n. Keep your token secret.